Welcome back, Blocks. My name is Blockade. Here we are on the video today. Here we are at another MCPE medals video. This time I have made the texture pack right. It's the original one, and today I'm gonna teach you how you make a vending machine. It consists mainly of a item filter. Before that, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. And get this video to, let's think, 25 likes. I think I'm going low, but that's okay. 25 likes is what I want. Please, Blocks, only you can do it. Thanks for your support. And here I'm constructing a quad wall. You can make a wall of anything. I've constructed I've dug out a 5x5x4. 5 blocks wide, 5 blocks across, and 4 blocks down. So, yep, we're gonna construct a vending machine. And oh my god, that was the dog. So, start off by going 1, 2, 3 blocks here. Take these 2 blocks. Place a hopper. Make sure that it's 3 blocks high. Oh, okay, I was right. So just go 1, 2, and the third block. Remove the first and second blocks. Place a dropper here. No, dropper. Okay, facing the second block and go 2 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks down. Oh, actually 4 blocks down. Remove those. Place hoppers all along the way. I struggle at MCPE. Struggle. Yep, there you go. Afterward, you have to remove these and place. Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. Wait, there have to be 6 hoppers, so that should do it. Oh, wait, I have to construct. Oh man, wait till I make all these processing. So we're good to go now, and now after that, place a block here and get a comparator output from there. I've not done any changes, you can see. Take a comparator. I forgot it, man. I forgot how to do it. Okay, take a comparator output. Oh, sorry. Then you have to get a repeater for yourself. It's a headache searching for these. What? Yeah, that's a repeater. Go like that. Then remove these 2 blocks. Place a. Now go a block upstairs and place a slab like this. So make sure you remove this block too. Place that. Take this block. Place a thing here. A block. Place a block upwards. And a dropper upwards. There you go. That's your strong contraption done. Now get yourself a redstone torch. Place it below the hopper. Just like that. So now you have to go to, if you're in MCPE, you have to go to, you have to go to settings, then go to video, then go to change the pocket to classics after toggling the show advanced video settings to on, and then come back and boom, you have it. So you drag it like that. So make sure you spread out wide. Once you have them like this, have 4 diamonds separately, then have 18 diamonds. No, have, for safety, have 24 diamonds. I'm so bad at this. How do you do it? So gather all the diamonds. Be sure to be fast if you are a Minecraft Pocket Edition player, so that, oh my god, wait. So after you've done that, 50 should go there. Yep, and it should filter down somewhat to 18. Yep, to 18. Yep, it has stopped to 18. You can gather these things. Now this is an item filter. If you throw the correct diamond thing, wait, let me have some chests. You can place it one here, place one here, and when you put a dropper here, place a button for doing so. Yep, and now if you take a diamond, put it in here, press the button, it got activated. The dropper got activated, and you can collect the diamond, of course, here. No, what? Where did it go? Man, where did it go? I don't know. So IDK, it should probably go here. I don't know where it went, but in Pocket Edition that should work for you. And then you get yourself a cookie. Oh, if you got it, just go cookie. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Cookie treat. Satisfying. So place them. Once you have placed them, now that should work. Floor it with something you would like. I would like to floor it with bricks for now. I have my ultimate vending machine up in PC edition of Minecraft. I have it. I'm doing videos. You have the Minecraft VDM series. So, yep, there you go. The simple and easy to do. The redstone is a bit complicated, but it's okay. So, there you go. You got yourself a thing, which I would like to call a vending machine. So it's time to decorate. Just place blocks surrounding it. I'm not very good at creative. I'm not a very creative guy. Yep, and there you go. Yeah, that's awesome. So there you go, guys. If you can't get it, go back to the video and see how it is made, and yep, subscribe to my channel and bring me to 1,000 subscribers so that I can offer you a drama live video. Okay, deal. So yep, be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like in this video. Get this video to 25 likes, because I am very poor at Minecraft Pocket Edition, because I had Minecraft Pocket Edition before. I got Minecraft PC, so I was good at it, but now that I've lost flow of it, sorry, I can't do it. Yep. So stay safe, be happy, and be the one as always. Thank you. And I am Mini Blocky. Don't forget, be the one. Get 10 minutes. Okay.